ease your thoughts, let go to a higher ground. Invite the guiding light inside the door. Let yourself be one with the ocean floor. And I'll go